Good morning, guys. So me and mommy this morning. Tisha not here. She gonna meet us at the hill. I'm not sure if I'm going to the hill. I'm not sure. But I brought my resistance bands, just two, the 40 pound and the 15 pound. That's the yellow that you're seeing. So I brought it with me just in case. I go in and I brought my phone so I can record for you guys. As you can tell, I'm on I-95. Cars are whizzing by. And this is where we jog in the morning. So we call I-95 Phoenix too. So sometimes I start going to the Phoenix run. This is what we do. Jog from Daytona to Phoenix gas station. Then from Phoenix gas station back to Daytona, or from Phoenix gas station to the hill. Then do the hill. Then go home. So yeah. Just reached the hill, you guys. I'm so tired. What is that one? Catch me as me reach dirty drunk girl mosquito. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see me. Oh God, I'm so hungry. Ooh, 15. Oh my God. Oh. 7. Ooh. Oh. 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 Oh Lord. Alright. I use my resistance bands. No. Then they have liquor? Oh. Backside. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Mommy did drunk off a Red Bull one time. I go on 9 night. Junk. Red Bull. 0 alcoholic content. Junk. I laugh non-stop. Mommy. Mommy. A ginseng. What ginseng a junkie ma go? Oof. Gosh.
Remember one day I drink BABYWEIGHT. I'm going to go on function. I'm going to wake up, them up pack up. I'm going to take a pic. Not a thing. I sleep it right out. Pack them up pack up. Or JR function. Then draw me out. But every day you drink Sprite. Drink something, man. See? Drop asleep. Them say muscle like
yeah, if muscle said right here, so.
Muscle there, so.
Tisha must say I struggle up there.
Shana, wait, all people are flash come.
Was it something between mommy and Margaret?
Yeah, I saw her.
Yeah.
A long time. She not I first Margaret to come back. Joy.
Bob said she come out that week, yeah.
Marge, since the incident.
I mean, so she didn't have an accident and doing a car accident.
Really?
That Bob said. One truck man running in her back.
Yeah.
One truck man running in her back.
Oh. Wow. Man.
Next morning.
You know, so we see her, she always come early and we ask her if she have gone. I say you must have gone. Tap tell lie. One day we stop and ask her. I say you know nothing. You must drop for your compressor early in the morning. No man, I think
oh God, but that hurt me. Lad good. Oi, Franny.
into machine now. Okay. Oh, ear pull out and things. No, people smile but me and tell me how mosquito up there. I say me not bother go. Me tell someone say.
So I never text you until you from what is a mosquito there pile.
But me think I'm top. Watch him there. Wanna come meet me?
I want to meet you down so now go in the yard.
No. Next week, friends me the 9th of November, may I let you know.
I so far down here go.
The 9th of November.
Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm going to be doing my drink now. Alright, so first, as usual, apple cider vinegar. I've been showing you guys this all week, but I'm gonna stop. Come next week, just know that I won't stop. Then red cayenne pepper, and I'm having this after my run because I couldn't drink it this morning before my run. Then this is turmeric because your girl's bowels was all over the place. Turmeric. Then ginger powder, and I feel like I'm putting in a lot. Then I'm going to put some water in there. Oh yes, lime. I need to get my lime. I need to buy lime juice. For the other foot, let me help you put it on.
This one.
I know, but for the other foot.
No, the other foot. But we're going to put it on.
I know you're going to put it on, Jonathan, but you need to go for the other foot. Find the other foot so I can help you put on both of them.
No, you want to put on.
Oh, you want to put it on? What you want to put on? The slippers? The slippers? So go for the other foot of slippers now and put it on. And then you want me to close it for you, to latch it for you? You want me to latch it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, go for the other one so I can latch both of them at the same time.
Mommy.
Wait now, come in. I'm making this. I'm making the taste bud drink. Remember my taste bud drink I tell you about? I'm making it. Alright. You latch it, you fell? Don't behave like that. Just go for the next foot of slippers. Now go for the other slippers. Yeah, go for the other one.
Called spiritual but yet physical encounters with God. I could tell the things will make you feel funny. Hallelujah.
Adios? Why? Tell her adios. Remember, adios means bye-bye in Spanish. Come. Alright guys, heading to school now. Today, Jean today. I really hope I got the days correct. I think it's today, I don't remember. Now make nobody the wiser. Good morning, handsome.
We are in color bigger.
Guys, I just dropped Jonathan at school. As you guys saw, is what you call it? Jean today. So the letter says, because you didn't get a letter in the school bags. So the letter say, Friday's jeans day, bring $100. So Jeremy said, him have jeans, so I'm gonna pay $100. Why? But teacher said we can bring it. Rotted. Shoot, I had money in the car. I didn't know. I didn't know I had cash on it, so I'll pick it up later. Excuse me. Can't get the money there. Plus, I have makeup to go home and do. Like I said, we can catch an hour. Sleep till about 9:30. Then I have a friend coming over for me to do her makeup. But this friend is coming over though is somebody I don't know. What I admire about her is her freedom. Like I didn't know I had a love for Jessica until I saw her like on Instagram. I was like, wow, I love Jessica. I love her septum piercing. I don't know what this piercing here is called. I love that. She's just, I think she's gorgeous. I was scrolling through her Instagram and I saw her and I DM'd her. I was like, yo, I need to do your face. I just have to do makeup. So she LOL. So I'm going to do her makeup today. Or she could do another friend's makeup today. I don't know who's available. I'll probably do my own. Don't need to get ready with me. Now I'm going to bring and get ready with me tomorrow when I'm actually going on the road. Because it kind of hurt me if you had to get ready with me and then I have to leave. Mama out here, I call her from away now. Then I said, I left my scale. Mama, my scale in the living room. I left my scale in the living room. I eat my come for. Yeah, my come for it. Some men will trust in horses and chariots, but I will look to the hills, and I will not fear. Oh, some may say they found another way, but my eyes are on you, and I will not move from the hill, the hill, the hill. Oh. Alright, you guys, so I'm heading home now. And I want to sleep. But I'm nervous. I saw my weight this morning, 148. But I'm not seeing any physical changes. I think my body still looks the same. And I think it's because in my head I'm not going as hard as I used to. But when I was going as hard as I used to, my body changed, but the number on the scale is either increased or it just stayed. It didn't go anywhere. So in light of that, I am actually going to be, and I said this to you guys before, but I downloaded the Fit Girl Mel 8-week program. I'm going to start the 1st of October, which is a Monday. Yes. So the 1st of November is 1 month, 1st of December month 2, and the 3rd of December is my birthday. So this is going to be like my birthday body. And then after that program, up until the 24th of December, I'll be doing mostly cardio and resistance band training only. Now, even during my Fit Girl Male program, I'm still going to be going to the hill or to Phoenix, the Phoenix run, and I will still be doing my resistance bands. But when I'm through the program, I'll be more focusing on the resistance bands for about 2 weeks, and then see how it goes. I'm hoping what I have planned does happen, because even though my body's going to be looking great by my birthday, I want my body to be hella snatched for the 24th of December. Rotted. Alright, you guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. Back home with my teddy bear. I'm gonna sit my candle and nap like an hour or so. Then yeah, I'm gonna go sit. I was sitting up for my friend. She's on her way here. So I'm gonna go plug in the lights. Let there be Liddy. Alright. I get the cab. I want to sleep. I was kind of sort of sleeping though. Kind of sort of. I'm very, very hungry. So I'm just drinking water. I really want some food. I want chicken. I want coffee. I want coffee and tough crackers and then chicken. That's what I want. That's what I want. But I can't have that. It's called discipline. While I'm curbing my craving, I'm just gonna wash the dishes. Because they in here anyway, so why not wash them, huh? By the way, guys, I have the full video of my tattoo. I know I included it in a vlog. But let me know if it's a video that you guys want me to upload. It'll be probably after my series. So let me know if it's a video that you guys want to see. I really want to. Guys, hold on, I'm catch you now because I figured that makes ya. It's not gonna drop again. It's a blood cleanse due to Jeremy, my baby father of the year, extraordinary, yeah. Something good up and fat up and yeah. Due to him just a call me and ask me if he need one party. I say, yo, Lord Shondolo. Who is that? Because that is not my husband. And Jessica drama out, you know. And Jessica. I just gonna give a shit, but she's very sexy though. But you know, she doesn't have the issues I have. You know what I'm saying? Like, she's like, let me not say issues. Like, she don't have the goals I have. So I'm gonna ask for one, but I say, baby, for one, let her blood cleanse. I'm gonna say, no, let her have Jessica, let him have. She'll come between a fitness journey, hopes our dreams. Jermaine, a man, can eat anything he wants to and gain now weight. Okay? Like nothing. Nothing. Me get it one party in my little state. Me go throw me off. I'm not like want a party, you know what? I just sit here and say me hungry. I really don't want a party, but even just looking at myself, no, I'm like, yes, girl. Alright, you're getting there, so I don't want to jeopardize that. I know one party is not going to jeopardize it, but you have to understand how I, Simone, Lyric, Henry works. Once it's one thing in my head, I'm like, I'm done gone already. Come back 2 party for me. And knowing me, I'm going to want 2 cheese patty and fries. I'm going to go on something sweet. So I'm trying to curb that. Okay. So now, yeah, I'm going to come in with a patty. Yeah, I'm going to want piece. Yeah, I'm going to beg him. But no, I'm not going to take it after. I'm going to beg him. No. Goes before hose. Right? That's the saying, right? Goes before hose. Right? No, it's not? Okay. Sounds like it to me. Goals before hoes. Sounds like something like it. But I was saying, do you guys want me to post that video of my full tattoo experience? It's just a 6-minute video. It's not long, so let me know if that's something that you guys want me to post. I don't mind posting. I mean, I'm gonna post it anyway, so I could have it to watch. But I will have it on a private link instead of public. You know, so I'm still gonna post it. But if you guys wanna watch it, let me know. Washing my Teamy tumblers. You can get your coupon Lyric25 when your order is over $35, and you get 25% off. TeamyBlends.com. I want to do a favorites right now, but it's not going to be beauty related. Like this cup, I want it because it's big. This cup is huge, yeah. Yo, I drink this cup filled. You guys have seen me use this cup already. I've had this cup filled with coffee. I love it so much. I love coffee and tough crackers, and I got more coffee and tough crackers. Guys are really thinking about calling back Jermaine and say, buy me a cheese patty. Oh God, I'm gonna take drought. I'm gonna walk junkish. Oh, let me take my CLA. I haven't taken it all morning. CLA. Yo, if there's one thing I'm gonna repurchase from Fate is my CLA. Oh shit, I should have done that. I should have made that purchase a couple weeks ago so I could have it for next week. I need to buy BCAAs and CLA. One more for there. Oh, it's in there, so. BCAAs, CLA, and Synergy. But I don't see the Synergy anymore on the site. I put this in my hair. Yeah, I am bored. I put this in my hair. It's called Infinel. It's Holy Basil Tulsi Hair and Body Energizer Potion. But I put it in my hair though to grow my mane.
Treat yourself.
I drink my big cup of coffee and I eat some tough crackers. That me get, but Jeremy buy one extra patty for me, so me tell you how it go. I hate weekends with my...
Oh my God, mighty
Me
fire.
have coffee, me have vlog, and me have flame. Oh God, Jessica.
Yeah, me know them in a shambles.
Jessica, you could have at least go on Baba or something.
Lad.
Sorry. See, you're cute. That's going to be a before picture. I'm sure tickets.
I come in a hurry.
Not eat that, man.
No, me never, you never see my face,
I
no?
ate that, I ate that.
But me do a mad up something. Wait, no, me never read it.
Investigators believe that he was driving close to 161 kilometers an hour in an only 70
Alright, so I'm gonna do your bros.
spun out of control.
First. Aww. You look so pretty, Jess.
The characters aren't allowed just to sit.
Very good. So how many ears? Count?
1, 2,
Very good. So draw a line.
1, 8.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Alright, so you have page 24 to do. Alright, so it says count and color the correct numeral. How many planes?
2.
Very good. So show me the number 2. Count how much airplanes?
2.
So show me the number. Very good. So color the airplanes now.
All the airplane. I can I go on the airplane?
Well, when we get the money to go on the airplane, I can go on the airplane.
You
I
have
don't have any money.
some money.
You have money?
Yeah, in the car, let me give you.
Oh, okay. But that money wasn't real, Jonathan. It was make-believe.
Can also?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but the airplane can fly.
Mm-hmm.
It can fly high up fast, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Like Drummond.
The airplane can fly like German.
Yeah. I think Drummond can't go with him car. Him car too big, like the airplane.
Eating barbecue chicken from KFC, spicy, sweet potato, mashed and plantains, and I'm going to set my celery and I'm having it with water. And it's now 3:30 or so, but I'm hungry. My team is skinny. It's about 4:50 something right now, and I'm going to drink this in about 10 or so minutes. When it cools down, the top of this it fell and it broke off. This is my red teamy tumbler with the insert. Again, my teamy code is lyric25 if you want to save 25% on any order over $30.